Hello everyone, this is Ryusuke Yamada reporting from Masuda Yabusame Shinto event. Soon riders are coming down, charging down this pass on the horseback, and as they pass, they shoot at the 3 targets, and if they succeed in hitting the targets, good harvest for the year is promised. And also, let me tell you something about the origin of Yabusame. Yabusame was very popular as one of the court events in Nara area about 1200 years ago. And Yabusame was held at that time to pray for a good harvest for the year and for the peace and the prosperity for the nation, and also for avoidance of and recovery from a big disaster and plague. And for this year, there was, as you know, we had a devastating disaster in Kanto area. So the riders this year, I'm sure they are shooting at the target, wishing for the quick recovery of the devastation from the devastation in Kanto, Tohoku area. Well, in Heian era, about 100 years ago, Yabusame became very popular among court noblemen. And they enjoyed shooting at target, and also it had the practical purpose of shooting at the games when they're hunting. And in feudal times, about 1400 years ago, in Kamakura area, it was a time of samurai warriors, and Yabusame had the practical purpose of shooting at enemy soldiers as they drove by on horseback. And also, and this practice was carried on even in Edo era, and the Lord Kamei, who ruled over this area in Edo era, when he went to Edo and lived there for a while, learned Yabusame. There are 3 styles of Yabusame. What he learned was Ogasawara style Yabusame, and he learned that while he was in Edo and brought back here to Tsuwana and encouraged men to practice Yabusame. And Yabusame is dedicated, and since he came back, Yabusame it has been dedicated to his guardian god at the local shrine, wishing for prosperity, good harvest, and also avoidance of big disaster. And it continued until the end of Meiji era, but then since then it went into discontinuance, and until a few years ago, when people in Tsuwana area who were very interested in history and tradition of Tsuwana decided to revive this Shinto event, and now it has become very popular. Not only people in and around this area, but also from many other parts of Japan come here to watch Yabusame Shinto events. They watch beautiful cherry blossom blooming along the shooting range. That's all.